2. I need to determine if you are Tonya Couch. Okay. That's your real name?
Yes.
All right. Is that the only name you use?
Other than when I've been married, yes.
Okay. And how old are you?
48.
Okay. Now, Ms. Couch, are you now married?
Yes.
And who are you married to?
Fred Couch.
Okay. Now, the reason why you're here, of course, is this complaint that was filed, and I want to tell you a little bit about it, okay? The district attorney of Tonya County, Texas, filed this complaint stating and alleging that you, Tonya, and it says here, Lynette Couch, not Pope, so tell me what your real name is.
Well, my middle name is Lynette. The Pope is my maiden name. I don't know why that's,
Okay.
really, I don't know why that's on there.
All right, your true name is Tonya Lynette Couch.
Yes.
And your maiden name is Pope. All right. Well, it states here that County State Court said that on about the 11th day of December of 2015, you did in there with the intent to hinder the arrest, detention, adjudication, or disposition of a child, Ethan Couch, who was defended, knew, had been adjudicated for having engaged in the legal conduct that violated the penal law of a grade of felony, that you did harbor or conceal Ethan Couch or provide or aid in providing Ethan Couch with the means of avoiding arrest or effecting escape by financing and transporting Ethan Couch and his flight from the jurisdiction of the court in the state of Texas. I understand what you're charged with. Is that correct?
Yes, I do.
All right. Now, there are a few other things I want to inform you about. It's my understanding that you've already hired a lawyer, or 2 lawyers, is that correct?
I've hired an attorney,
And who is the attorney that you hired?
Stephanie Patton.
All right, Stephanie Patton, she's the only lawyer that you have right now?
She's the only one, well, I think there was someone in California, but that was because there's no,
All right.
I don't know.
I ask you that because I have to give you this acknowledgement that, of course, you know you have a right to hire a lawyer. It's my understanding now that you have. And that this lawyer can be present at any interview, any questioning of police officers or attorneys representing the state. You understand that?
Yes.
If you could not afford a lawyer, I want you to understand that you could have a right to request for a appointment of a lawyer to be present prior to and during any interview with the right to have an attorney appointed to represent you if you could not afford a lawyer. But it's my understanding that you can afford a lawyer, you already hired him. Is that correct?
I do have, I thought she was here.
She would be here.
Yeah.
All right. So that means that you have a right to hire your own lawyer. You have reasonable time and opportunity to consult with your lawyer if you desire. In the event you want an attorney appointed, you make that known to me and I will do that. You understand?
Yes.
All right. You will be provided, and I think they've already provided you the form to decide whether you want a lawyer or whether you want to hire your own lawyer. And I see where you signed saying that you want to hire your own lawyer.
I believe so, yesterday.
Okay, all right. Now, you also have a right to remain silent. You don't have to speak to the police. You're not required to make a statement. And any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. You understand that?
Is that starting now?
I'm talking about when they statements to the police and things. This is just your arraignment. Okay?
Okay.
And we're talking about interviews with police and any other law enforcement people. All the rest of that. Okay?
Okay.
All right, you have a right to stop any interview or question at any time. If you decide to answer questions, you may stop the question at any time. You have the right to have an examiner. contract, and your lawyer will talk with you about that. You understand? Now, your bond has been preset at $1 million, but I will tell you that your lawyers filed a habeas corpus motion asking that the bond be reduced. And I set a hearing on this for Monday at 1:30, so you'll be back here. Unless you make $1 million bond. But if you decide to make $1 million bond, then of course I'm going to have a lot of restrictions that I'm going to put on it. And whatever bond you make, I'm going to have certain restrictions, all right? One of them is that you will have to wear an ankle monitor. Another one is, of course, you have to have a permanent address, and we have to know an address and also whatever phones that you might have. As my understanding, you have a passport, or a temporary passport. Now, I need that. Take that passport from me.
I actually do not have one because, I did have one, but all of my properties when I went to LA were not taken with me to the jail in LA.
Okay.
They did something with all of that, and I haven't seen it since then, so I have nothing like that.
All right, very good. Now, I will discuss with you further Monday about your ability financially to make a bond, all right? And your lawyer will discuss that with you, and when we meet again, this is what we're going to be doing, okay? All right, I think that takes care of I do need you to sign this showing that you got your adult warrant, so come forward. Sign that. Now, Ms. Couch, you understand all of the instructions I've given you, is that correct?
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
There's no problem with your understanding at all, is that correct?
No.
You are competent, basically.
I think so.
All right. Real good. All right, well then, this will conclude the arraignment for you. And your lawyer got caught in traffic, I believe, so she's on her way. All right?
Okay.
All right. You're in recess. This way.
All right, guys, we're getting another live feed.